What you want? I jokes, money dog. I jokes, money dog. Me got the white, me got the green dog. What you want?
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia, and today we're here with an artist by the name of Graphiz Don. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you hear from the man himself.
Tell them say I dance down like a street. One top badness down like a glow up. From your violate everything I get floored. I jokes, money dog. I jokes, money dog. Me got the one, me got the green dog. What you want? Me got the one, me got the green dog.
Welcome once more, Graphiz Don, to the Portmore Talent Show. How are you today?
Been wonderful. Thanks for having me.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So before we start, what's your government name?
Well, I go by the name of the Johnny Chambers. Yeah, you don't know that guy already still. Big up Momo for my name because she say it in French. The Johnny, you see me?
The John.
Yeah, the John.
Right?
Yeah.
John. All right. Kind of unusual, but I like that one. So where were you born and where did you grow up?
Originally born a Spanish town, Lights, you see me? But grow and raised around the place now and then, but Portmore mainly, too north, you see me? Big up the man them, fully steam, fully dance, main road, the out, you hear that? Yeah.
All right, that's all. Now, which school did you attend?
Alright. So me now, I attend a lot of school, tell you the truth, Not saying I'm a bad child, but you don't know circumstances. But
Yeah.
last school me went Greater Portmore High, then we go to Linton's Academy.
All right,
Last two school.
cool. In terms of primary school?
Greater Portmore Primary, I'm gonna go on prep school. Brown's Little People Prep. Yeah.
All right, cool. So what event happened showed you that you had this talent?
Alright, when I go William Nip Memorial High School. You know, that's a natural this. So
Yeah.
I always say 7th grade they do a young youth just come in high school and try to know a couple youth too up in I think. I always say them a DJ on the decks and I beat the pencil and them little thing down a freestyle. So I say,
Yeah.
I mean that man means a girls man, So I realize that the girls them like. So I say, no, so I have to try and know them youth there. By the time I reach 8th grade, get connection with them, AJ them, Raheem them and the man they say, say very. Get to understand say them and family them
Yeah.
are kind of family. So so comes now they ever in the music thing and I go in the music thing now and things. So I say, boom now I start deal with them and so comes now I find it right. Start right with a pen and a book in my class. I think a science class me now. I'm say so say at this me I do start. From that, never stop.
Just freestyle on spot.
On spot.
Cool.
No book, no nothing.
And how were you received? You say he's a girl's man. Which part? Every man should be a girl's man.
Which is right. Which is right.
So how were you received by the girls then?
Ladies them love me, man. Cause
Yeah.
number one, the personality I have jovial. So if I'm a jovial and easygoing, then you gravitate. But once them see say you're firm for you believe in that, that's the next thing to cause. You know some
True.
ladies not too like no soft soap still.
Nothing shaky.
Yeah, you see me?
True. So apart from singing or DJing, what other talents do you have?
Alright, so can fix AC. I have a certificate in AC.
Yeah.
Previously, I still do my 9 to 5 still. Big up the youth them, don't stop their 9 to 5. Hey that.
Straight.
Remember that you need something to help yourself sustain your life. Hey that. Yeah.
True.
But otherwise from that AC, I'm certified technician at AC. Can gas all them thing there. When it comes on other things now, can cook, but not a certified chef. I can do my local video editing thing to call.
Yeah.
Means I youth I follow them things there. And it comes when I not DJ, I write lyrics, I up on my laptop, I try to edit something. Or I try to figure out how I can better myself in the whole music business in general when it comes to producing.
That's what they call multi-talented.
Yeah.
Yeah, really like that because a lot of person because they probably mature festa in this form of work that they want to do, they don't try to pursue anything else.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's always good not to put your egg in one basket.
Same thing my mother always tell me
True.
to follow her thoughts,
So, do you have any music video or recorded songs at this time?
Alright, so at this time, currently I work on my own label. So right now, on my label, I have a channel on YouTube. Currently I have 2 videos out now. Drugs Money with me and the other artist. Him is also the next manager for the label also. Go by
Yeah.
the name of Jix Dan. Big up yourself, my brother. You see me? Yeah, Drugs Money, me and him title, and I have a next one with single Me Alone. Banging Line. You get me released for the year. That's current one I really want to promote more while and push
Banging
out
Line.
and get a feature the Banging Line. You get me?
Alright.
I have a next one of a drop now name Hurt Me. So just look out for that one there. Remember it hurt me. Yeah, you see me?
All right. So how do you in terms of times when you may not feel as everything is going as it should, how do you keep yourself active, keep yourself up to date?
I know I tell you the truth still. Enough man not gonna really understand why I'm say this still, but when I say this still, my
Yeah.
girl, my mother, I have two Charlie and Bozo.
Yeah.
So otherwise, I don't really say nothing else, but it's from them people that them show me say, no make nobody make up your mind for you. They say if
True.
you want to do it, you do it.
Yeah.
You get what I say? Because if them want to do something, you can change for them mind.
True. So
Them
true.
are going to do it. And it work for them. So why not do what you want to do and it work for you? Because you can there get advice to everybody, you know. And it work for them, you know. But you cannot give one yourself the advice. You not use the one advice for yourself. You not apply it to your daily living or your daily lifestyle.
Yeah.
So I understand how that going on. So me just take fair advice and my father advice because my father is a man believing in multiple traits, you know.
True.
And I grew up and learned that. So as a youth, I just stick to what I know, stick to what me know, what me sure about for me, and do what me want to do. Now when I see in the hype or when I see them go around, because everybody want to be bang, everybody want to stick to my roots and my origin.
And even though a lot of person may not agree, at the end of the day, you don't always have to agree with other person's opinion. As you say, you know what worked for you, and at the end of the day, your smaller your circle be, it's always better for you,
Exactly.
right?
No joke.
So, how far do you see yourself in the music industry in terms of your music career?
Generations upon generations.
Yeah.
Just like Bob Marley, right now Bob Marley passed off RIP to a great legend, and right now him
Yeah.
still up on Spotify, iTunes, them number one. Him not come out of top 5 or top 3
Everywhere.
more while, yeah. So, right.
Timeless music.
Alright, I'm
Just
not
like-
talking about music with quality too, you see me? But I forget them a look at impression at first to make them know say yeah, we're there. And we're firm, said we.
And you
Yeah.
said you're promoting Banging Line?
Yeah, banging line.
Banging Line.
Yeah.
Awesome. We have come to the end of the interview segment with Graphiz done. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you will get a live performance from Graphiz done singing Banging Line. Stay tuned.
Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan the money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day, yeah me nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan the money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day client pan the line. Me nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day money pan the mind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day money pan the mind. Nah stop banging line. Hard my work, me I go for mine. Every day pan the money grind. That's how me set my mind. Wait till the new age, I got touch road. Money start custom dog when me roll out. We work hard, why the f*** feel the brave? So aim to aim, the chopper them still a work. More while we overseas, I just a code. You a dick chop and friend them a giant touch a talk, yeah. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan the money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day client pan the line. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan the money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day, yeah me nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan the money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day climb pan the line. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan the money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a choppy line. Every day money pan the mind. Nah stop banging line. Hard my work, me I go for mine. Every day pan the money grind. That's how me set my mind. Wait till the new X I got touch road. Bunny start custom dog when me roll out. Don't work hard, one I feel my breath. So AM to AM, the chopper them still a hope. More while me overseas, I just look what you big chopper, my friend them up. Giant touch a talk, yeah. Every day man a choppy line. Every day pan money grind. Nah stop banging line. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day climb on the line, nah stop on the line. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day money on the mind, nah stop on the line. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day climb on the line, nah stop on the line. From a touch all road in a damn Spain town, yeah me get the bag of code. From then till now me at Bristol Mall. Once you done get up, the enemies are road on. Couple skull they a dog, every teeth a pull. I coulda dial on me, everything I get full. And if them is too tough, get the parchment. Walk in ahead every day, them a send back. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day upon the money grind, now stop on the line. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day climb on the line, now stop on the line. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day money on the mind, now stop on the line. Every day man a chop it like heat. Every day money on the mind, now stop on the line.
Brawling, you hear that? Anyway, you see me, you know I dance. Fully steam, fully dust. One in club. You hear that? Nation. Hey, you, what you talk, you fryers? Hey, they make me head hurt me. Me good game and we let the place dirty. The little fool can't box and get me. How would them be? Anytime man rise up the bend, if they make me head hurt me. Me good game and we let the place dirty. The little fool can't box and get me. How would them be? Me good day man, rise up the bembe. Man I take this from boy. From this me no response. Load up this a zigzag in a head man I got fling shot. Me no give a fuck about the strength of where you come from. The gun them when me hold it full of more than 15 jump on you the SLR. The bembe I that a function. So the remedy and the shit the place like a bomb trap. Load the remedy one in a head when me a crush ups. Foot and I get fracture, I'll not dead and me a come far. If they make me head hurt me go day man will every place dirty. No look a fool can box not get me. How would them be? Anytime man they rise up the bembe, if they make me head hurt me go day man will every place dirty. No look a fool can box not get me. How would them be? One and more, no time for proof.